Hey Sarangani, you'll never guess what happened. Remember us talking about the coffee situation here?
Yes, after reviewing the cost versus the value of brewing versus purchasing espresso, the cost-benefit analysis was modeled.
Get the analysis. Morning coffee. Ethically sourced, premium, daily delivered coffee. We will call it Caffeine Kickstart.
Delivered by Woo, ethically sourced by Woom. What is the startup cost? Did you consider market saturation?
I could build an app for that. Pre-purchase delivery, routes, and loyalty program.
You hear Sarangani? Subong gets it. We could be changing the face of office coffee.
An app, this escalated quickly and I have to do an spreadsheet.
Guys, rent's going on next month. We're broke if we don't earn soon.
Then this is it. Our ticket out, Caffeine Kickstart.
Really? A coffee delivery?
Beans, app-based orders. It's simple and sustainable.
And that might actually work.
Ethical energy for everyday entrepreneurs.
Well, that doesn't sound like a bad idea.
Fine, I handled the finance.
Perfect. Teamwork and caffeine. What could go wrong?